So, what do these words have in common? Well, each of them are what we call false friends. That is, this word may look or sound similar in English language, but mean a different thing in the Jamaican language. For instance, bad. In English, terrible, awful. In Jamaican, it means very good. For example, that movie was bad. Or, that song, they're bad. The facial expression also helps you distinguish between the meaning of the two. Here's another one. Wicked. In English, evil, not good. In Jamaican, wicked. Yeah, it's really very good. For example, he shouldn't do that. That's so wicked. Yo, is a wicked piece of tune that, you know. Here's another one. Fast. In English, fast, quick. In Jamaican, fast. That means nosy. Example, slow down, you're walking too fast. Mind your own business, you're too fast. Here's a favorite of mine. Hush. In English, hush, hush, hush. Be quiet. In Jamaican, hush. I'm sorry. And so this one could actually get you in trouble. My mother just died. Hush.
What?
Hush. Know any more false friends? I think Jamaicans have quite a bit. Let me know in the comments below.